Hello, this is Timothy Perfect from Twocanoes Software, and I'd like to show you how you can create an image from a bootcamp volume and be able to restore that back at a later time to be able to, if in case something happened, you want to snap back to that same location where you first saved it. So first thing we'll do is I'll show you I have a bootcamp partition here. I have Windows installed. It's the most recent version of Windows 10. And I booted into it, and it's a fully functional Windows partition or bootcamp partition. So in Winclone, I'll just go ahead and create an image. So first thing I'll do is select the volume. It only shows that one because that's the only Windows volume I've installed on this machine. And then I can save the image. When I save the image, it's going to ask where to save the image file. And normally you want to save that someplace locally or in a drive that's formatted as Mac formatted. And the image is basically all of the contents of the bootcamp partition compressed and placed into a file ready to be restored later on. So I'll call this Windows 10 Demo 1. And I'll save it onto my desktop. And so then it'll go and unmount the Winclone or the bootcamp partition, make a full clone of it, and then when it's completed, I'll come back and show you how to restore the data. All right, the image has been complete, and now it's been saved to, I saved it to my desktop, which I'm not currently showing, but let me see. There it is, Windows 10 Demo Winclone, and the size is 3.55 gigabytes, and the size of my, the size of my Windows partition is 8.17 gigabytes. So it doesn't copy the page file as well as some of the other data that's rebuilt on first startup, and it compresses it. So that's the expected size for that amount of data. So let's go ahead and restore that. So it's very simple. So the idea is that we could boot back into Windows now, go ahead and continue our work. And at some point in the future, we're saying, oh, there's been an issue, it won't boot, I installed an application that's causing problems, I just want to snap back to that same place. You would just come into Winclone, select the restore image, select that Windows 10 Demo 1 that we created, select the destination, which is again that Windows partition, and click on restore. So now with that's completed, I'll boot into Windows and I will be back exactly at the point that I was before when I created this image. All right, so the restore is now complete. You can see that if I go back and look at my bootcamp partition, you can see that it is has the files that are put back in there, and used 8.17 gigabytes now. So expanded back to that around that same size. And the next time I reboot, it'll come back, and all the data should be just like it was from when we created the image. So thank you very much for watching, and have a great day.